Hello and welcome to Smalton. Well, before I show you this run-in, I thought somebody might be interested in the lighting system on one of the coaches that I converted. Now obviously I need a resistor and some kind of stay alive on this and quite a few of my other coaches, to be honest. But that's the difference it makes when you do the conversion. I don't know if you can see that. That's better. You can see the two isolated sections of the wheel and they're opposite each other, and I've cleaned the paint off the axles and made it so that the back of the wheels also contacts the material, and this is the other side. Probably connecting both sides would make it better, but I'm running out of cable now. Right, so we'll show you this on the track now. The only unfortunate thing is that on one section it does tend to come uncoupled. I think this is just down to a problem with the difference in couplings, in that one's Marklin and the other's Pico. Focus, you foot. Focus. That's it. Or maybe the fact that this coupling here is very slightly lower than the others, but it does seem to be holding. I must check the rest of my stock sometime. Right, now I've still got this on DC because I just haven't had time to get this running properly, and the fact that Hornby and their beautiful infinite wisdom only restrict it to certain decoders, mostly theirs I might add, but it does work on Harton's ones as well. I think we have a problem. Now this works in during the rehearsal a few minutes ago, but it's stopped now. Typical. Okay, hang on a minute. Right, well, that seems to have sorted that little problem out. Oh, I'll put that in reverse. Oops. Anyway, you can see the lighting in there. It does work, but it's just flashing somewhat. Right, well, what we're going to do is just leave you let that run around through a little bit. And yeah, no, I thought that would be too good. It's definitely must be the trap work down the other end as to why that's coming uncoupled. I'll just slow that down. It does seem to work quite well, propelling it. Right, well there you go. This is just a quick update. I must glue these down again. Every time I lean over my layout, these seem to get knocked off. Anyone building a layout, don't build it in a corner. Make sure you can get round all of it. This is my mistake. Well, I'm sorry nothing else is running, because I'm running it on DC to run in the motor. I've just not had time over the last few weeks. It's called life. I've had to be doing other things. I see what the problem is. Yes, it's the old I don't know if you can see that there. I'm sorry about this if it's a bit shaky, but the coach is actually catching on the platform there, so that's something I shall have to fix. Right, well, that's zoomed back out. Anyway, like I say, it's just a quick update. Unfortunately, the only other thing I can show you is the length of half the carriages that I bought from Germany. They're just waiting until I can get hold of a drill bit the right size. Yes, you say, go to the local DIY store. I'd love to, as soon as it opens. The Russians left it in a rather bit of a mess. There's no doubt some of you are aware. Anyway, there's nothing else to report. Nothing else is going on. That's it. So I'm sorry, that's all there is. You can have a look at that running round. If you want to. Right, well, there we go, that's it. Nothing more's going on. So thanks for watching and take care. And happy modelling. See my mate at Bluebell Centrum is well on his way to 1,000 subscribers. Good lad, you're doing well. 500 to do for me. Alright, well, thanks anyway. So please like, comment, subscribe. Any helpful tips are always welcomed. And sorry if the camera work goes a bit funny sometimes. It's just that I'm filming this on my phone. I don't have a professional professional camera or a tripod. If somebody wants to send me one, please be my guest. And any suggestions for a fairly cheap DCC system would also be welcomed, because I think I'm going to have to change my E-Link for something better, especially if Hornby are going to stop supporting it. Now let's see if this will go around the other way. I'll bring this to a stop. And send it the other way. Oh, what a surprise, it's come uncoupled. Right, well, that's something I'm going to have to investigate, and I shall try it on one of my other Macklin carriages. Because obviously this is going to have to pull some carriages, probably maybe try and change this coupling. If anybody's got any of the foreign couplings they don't want, you can always send them to me. I'll take them, I'll have them. And I'll even pay your postage if it's reasonable prices, because I do have internet and I will be checking. Right, oh well, thanks a lot and thanks for watching. Anything else crops up, anything new comes along, any more unboxings, which probably won't be for a while, I'll put out videos. So thanks a lot for watching and take care. All the best from Smalton, and please like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Thanks a lot, cheers, bye now, bye.